Here I am, in the land of boundless beauties, Indonesia, treasuring the nature, unearthing the freshness, discovering the rawness. Someone says, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Today, with countless natural inspirations, I wish to cook in true modesty. With the ensemble of Sasa seasonings, rich flavors are crafted subtly. Authenticity is naturally kept, while I add some fresh complementaries. Many purposes of Sasa enhance true taste. Each fusion is unique. It allows spices to spark its magic and inevitably tickles my taste buds. The last touch is just as important, glazing more goodness as it sizzles over a crackling fire. No need to rush, just cherish every bite. Add more delight in the while. Go with your heart, and dust some sweetness for the best part. At last, a real wilderness feast. We relish each bite in togetherness and simple joyousness. An excitement gleams as we celebrate this nation's freedom and unparalleled diversity. Happy Independence Day, Indonesia.